So today we are going to Billings, Missouri. It's like half an hour away from where we're based in Springfield. And I'm going out with Victor and the guys to install some, I don't even know what we're doing to be honest, but it should be fun. I don't know, it should be a good time. The guys didn't slack around at all. By the time I got there, they were getting everything set up for the day. They were using Ozark Wireworks wire and apparently really liked it. Link in the description, by the way. Now, right off the bat, there was a problem. Whoever had tried to fix the fence before had welded on the cross brace. The crew was planning to move each of them into a better position, but they just have to make do with what they could and figure it out on the way. Now, the backstop was 20 feet tall, which means the guys had to use two 10-foot rolls to be able to reach the top, obviously. Now, it was a little tricky, but they were up for the task. Victor and Abe and the guys did a great job problem solving and getting everything done in a nice, timely manner. They got the whole softball field done, and they also did some pickleball courts off to the east side. It was a long day, but it was a good day. Oh yeah, also, I asked Abe if he had any closing thoughts, and I told him he could say it in Spanish or English. So, if you speak Spanish, this one's for you.
Estamos haciendo una cerca en Billings, Missouri, en el baseball field. Aquí lo pueden ver. You can show them.
That and the baseball court.
Y estamos batallando con fittings.
They want us to finish the basketball.
Es todo. Thank you. Bueno.
And that's a wrap for now. The guys did a good job. We gotta come back and replace that because we didn't have the right fittings. But other than that, it's good to go. Looking good. They actually weren't quite done yet. So even though it was getting late, they stayed longer to finish up the pickleball court. And with that, another job well done. Thanks to the guys for taking the time to get it done right and making sure everything looked great. Now, fast forward to Saturday and we have Wingapalooza, one of Sertoma's biggest events of the year. But before we can do that, we have to set up some safety guardrail.
All right, so it's Friday. We're out at Wingapalooza setting up. Now, Wingapalooza we're involved with for a few reasons. One, we are the co-presenting sponsor this year. Next year, we're taking over the presenting sponsor role of Wingapalooza here in Springfield. But we're also, as you can see, providing the temporary fencing, both pedestrian barricades and taller 6-foot construction fence, both for some security and outdoor to keep a smoking area contained.
We started at the edge over there the last time.
Yep.
And then came out and
did one out. And
yeah,
then
we did
over.
one out and then
Okay.
over. And then
Yep. The main concern is just keeping space between the crowd and like the sound system and the stage and all that. Yeah, so they really just want to limit access into here and on the stage and then in front of here, so they can just kind of walk through. Because what we saw in years past is they'll try to reach over and set drinks down. So keep it away from that. That way we're not spilling stuff.
just put all these down right here.
I will always foot you. Oh, can you make it in? Oh, sorry.
And this can be the entrance.
Okay.
Yeah, because once it's on there, the other one can sit on the ground too.
Yeah. Okay.
I mean, that should be fine.
What did you do?
When you flipped off that thing, a bunch of wind got standing in my face.
Don't grab.
Yeah, that one's tootsie. Don't grab that.
My shit.
Bam.
Look at that. It'd be a shame if somebody just... With all the shenanigans out of the way, it's time for Wingapalooza.
All right, guys, it is Saturday, about 15 minutes before these doors open at 11 o'clock. And when these doors open, it really gets rocking.
Everyone was having a great time and enjoying the wings and the good music, but no Wingapalooza would be complete without a wing eating competition.
All right, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. We are underway. I want to see a hand. Watch that. You guys make some noise while you're cheering for him. He's going. Come on, Wingapalooza, let's hear it for these guys.
It was such a close race. So the guy right there, that was the champion the previous year, and that wing he's holding is all he had left to finish. So it was a really close race. It was awesome. It was better than you could ask for, even if we staged it. So it was great. It was a good time. So there's more wings, there's more music, and then Joe got up to speak for the check ceremony. Also, sorry for the audio quality. It was really noisy in there.
What is up, everybody? Appreciate you guys coming out. John's not going to brag on himself, so I'll brag on him for a minute. This is the 11th year that Youngblood has been a title sponsor of Wingapalooza. Now, Ozark Fence has some pretty big shoes to fill because Youngblood has been giving, as long as I can remember, to Wingapalooza, but not only Wingapalooza, but to the community. John, from Ozark Fence, we want to thank you as just being a pillar in the community and being a great example.
If you're still watching, I can tell you the secret code word for this week is hardware. Now, that brings Wingapalooza to a close and another week here at Ozark Fence. Thanks for watching and see you next week.